edit, and the cloud recording. Let's see if the cloud recording would work. Here's the cloud recording. Cloud recording doesn't seem to be working. So let's try Pixar. Let's start a new recording. Paste the file name, edit, paste, put it as a comment, paste. I want to open really another file with today's date, another notepad, 5.8, this is a good one, with today's date, yes, make it smaller, and paste, edit, paste the video file name, and it will be, the topic will be tonight is street stages, street stages, and let's also record another recording system with UCam Cyberlink. Start this recording. Okay, and now I want to save it with today's date and time. To the log subfolder. This is obviously incorrect. Totally off. Copy and paste it. Paste. Correct everything here is off. Today is 5/10. So 5/10. The day of the week is Saturday, so we'll put lowercase, capital S-A. My video is all right there. And the time now is 5:45. 5:45 p.m. and I started a few minutes ago, so I started at 5:35 p.m. Okay, so now I got the complete file name. Make it a little wider here. And we'll save this notepad with the new name. Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, file, save as, and then paste it, paste, and then save, and then edit as a comment to Pixar problem step recorder. Let's turn the camera this way. Control V and OK. Then stop recording from Pixar problem step recorder, save. Take the previous file name from earlier today and overwrite it. This is going to be a zip type of file. V to paste the new title, and then I need to get rid and edit out the irrelevant path. And since I have a few of them folders already, you can go all the way to the beginning and just change it from the current file format to the new one, which is .zp. And since I did a few of them today, this will be this will be version E for today. So put in the letter E, then copy the subfolder and insert it as a prefix, Control V and backslash. Now I got a complete file name. Copy to the clipboard buffer and then save it. Then review additional details, scroll up to see that this was 58 steps. As I start a new one, I add a comment with the previous file name, paste it in, and enter, and OK. And then paste it into my notes, edit, paste, and then dig a few enters into this so it separates it from the previous notes. Save it again. Now I want to take my trusted camera and swipe, and I want to run PixieBot. So to run PixieBot, I'm going to turn the camera on again. I want to start a new clip to show how I run PixieBot. So I press this and I want to show how I'm running PixieBot. So here is PixieBot, I'm pressing it. And welcome to PixieBot, making images and videos accessible. Next. Key features, next. Easy sharing, integration, benefit and premium, continue, and let's get started. Now, I'm ready to record a video, so I'm pressing the video record button. Now I want to aim it at myself at the beginning. So I'm pressing the record button, aim the camera at myself, and now I'm going to turn around the camera to show the entire environment. Turn it also widthwise so you can see the entire environment and the multiple applications that I have here running with multiple recording software. Go around and around and look out the door. Show what's going on outside, then continue to my notes, and then stop and upload. So now it is compressing. Aim the camera at myself, and now I'm going to turn around the camera to show the entire environment. Turn it also widthwise so you can see the entire environment. The multiple applications that I have here running with multiple recording software. Go around.
Absolutely, let's describe the video. The video begins focused on a cluttered space, with a desk surface piled high with a variety of items, under a hanging light with a shade. There's a tray with a colorful geometric pattern on the desk, and what looks like a roll of toilet paper, among other things. Above the desk, the ceiling is dark, and more items hang down. Then, the camera is pointed to the face of a person. He's wearing a black cap and has a grey beard. He mentions that he's going to turn the camera around to show the entire environment. As he rotates the camera, we see the room in more detail. It's full of all sorts of equipment and materials, and a lamp is providing additional light. The camera moves left, showing a computer monitor displaying what appears to be web pages, including one advertising Mother's Day deals. The camera continues its rotation, showing wooden cabinets, more equipment, and a window with a view to the outside, which is also cluttered. The last image we see are monitors showing recording software.
Okay, so now we are ready to share it, and this is the sharing button. And scroll down, press the share button again, and share the video to this email address, and then send it out to the email address, then share again. This time I'm going to share the description to the same email address, and then send it out. And that is done for now. Now I'm ready to just start recording from my cell phone. So I'm going to insert it into my lanyard. And now I'm going to make it another run as I'm wrapping up everything. So I want to go back and record another video. So I'm pressing the record button again, and yet again, and then aim it in my hat and show the hat that has an LED message that says "With more biz" and the phone number that this vanity domain name has, that is 94977, more is a 77667 and biz is 249. Okay, now I want to show the various software again. And finally, I'm going to insert into my lanyard to shoot the rest of the scene and wait for it to finish. And then aim it in my hat and show the hat that has a LED message that says "With more biz" and the phone number that this vanity domain name has, that is 94977.
Absolutely, the video starts with a chaotic scene. A room crammed with items hanging from the ceiling and piled on surfaces, including bags, hats, tools, and colorful objects. Then the camera turns towards a person, capturing their face. They are wearing a black hat. They turn the hat around to reveal a display on the front. The display shows LED messages in green and white, first displaying the text "Wish more biz," then showing the phone number 949 776 6673 with the text "Biz is 249. After that, the person orients the camera again, showing an equally cluttered desk area with multiple computer screens displaying various software applications, and a small square camera mounted on a flexible tripod. The scene ends with the person inserting the camera to a lanyard and readjusting it to show the rest of the scene, before waiting for it to finish filming.
Okay, now that we finished, I want to share this one too. So I'm going to scroll to the very end, press the share button again. This one I want to share the video to the same email address and send it, and then share again. This time share the description to the same email address, then send it. And now I'm ready to wrap up everything. Just start to record the scene with the flash on. Tuck the video in my lanyard and proceed to wrap up everything. So I want to wrap up this 360 again and start a new clip. that will focus on what I'm doing with the computer and how I'm going to wrap up this documentation by playing back the videos. I'm going to stop this recording on the UCam, and then I want to double click it to play it back. And it works perfectly well. So the next thing I want to do is I want to stop MSN Recorder Max.